I have questions about this little circuit I made. It's a capacitor that sends a charge through the LED on the left side through a switch, and on the very right side is my charging circuit where the positive leg of the capacitor is on the positive rail, and then the negative side of the capacitor through a switch is also connected to the positive rail. And according to what I read and other examples, you're supposed to have that negative side of the capacitor charge from the negative rail, but that does not work. And it works just fine the way I have it set. And my question is this right? Or what's going on? Charging, discharging, charging, discharging, charging, discharging. So I'm charging the capacitor from the positive rail on both sides. Is that right?